to my channel. I'm Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We are multicultural, we are inclusive. So if that is what you're looking for, you have found it, you should subscribe and become one of my little doll babies. If you're already subscribed, you're one of my little doll babies. So hi, doll baby, hi, doll baby. That was just for you. So today I have a collab with AISI wigs. I think it's AISI, A-I-S-I. I've collabed with them once before, I believe. This unit here, all the clips of me getting it together are after this part. But this says AISI Queen long curly wig, brown highlight wig, daily use or cosplay, 26 inches. I got it for $23.99. Came in this package here. Let's talk about it. Number one, it's not heat friendly, just so you know. Number two, this is a lace parting wig with a skin top part. I did use a little bit of leave out. The curls feel really good, and it's a thick wig. This is all the hair to the front, so there's a lot of it. It is very long. I'd say it's actually more than 26 inches. I'm 5'6.5". I'm putting this in the 28 inch probably. I think the color is great. Wig cap, I did tighten it, so I think it's probably an average wig cap. This is gonna tangle. It's definitely going to tangle. I think it's cute. I think it could work for, you know, a few wears, but this isn't going to be like an everyday, like for a whole month, 2-3 months. It's not going to last that long. It does feel good though. It's silky, but it does have a light yuckiness. I do like how you can sort of piece out the curls. It might be better like if it was cut, but I don't mind the length, but I love the length. Let's look at it from the back. I wish I could take heat to it to lay it a little bit flatter to my head. That's my personal preference. I think the color's pretty. I always feel like this is the area that gives wigs away outside of the front. I mean, I do like how it is around the crown area. Movement is good. I mean, for the price, I don't hate this wig. If you like the color and you want a curly wig, especially if you want one that you can sort of customize the length and things like that, I think this is really good. Like I said, it's not going to be long lasting. It is going to tangle. Yeah, see, here's a layer. So if it was all that, see, that would be a really nice length. That would be a doable length. Actually, I think if you cut it up, it'd probably be doable a little bit longer. I do like how the curls look and how they feel. Overall, I don't hate this wig for what it is and the price. I think that you'll enjoy it for the time that you're able to. It's just this is not going to be a long-lasting wig. I also don't think it's an overly large wig cap. I want to thank AISI for providing me with this wig to review for you. I know a lot of you are interested in these Amazon wigs and the quality of them. I think that overall this isn't a bad quality. I think it's cute. It's just, again, it's very long. Wig cap is more average, and it's not going to last too long. But the luster is beautiful. The feel of it is pretty. It's comfortable. So yeah, that's what I have for you for this particular wig. If you have any thoughts about this wig, please put it down below. If there's another Amazon wig you would like me to review, check out my Amazon playlist and then also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.